Hello guys, welcome to another video tutorial. And please, if you are joining us for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and find this video helpful, do well to like, share as well. So today I'm going to be walking you through how to install these Flutter scripts from an amazing website called codecanyon.net. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and type in your browser codecanyon.net. This is the link here, and when you're done with that, you want to go ahead and search Flutter scripts that you want to install. In our case today, we're going to be installing. I'm going to be walking you through how to install this eClass LMS mobile application. It's a Flutter application for both Android and iOS. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do here is go through the documentation of this application and read through the features and everything concerning this application. And once you're done with that, you can see the screenshot of this application here, and also you can see the live preview. So once you are done doing that, you want to go ahead and add to cart. So this is a regular license script. It is amount. You want to go ahead and add to cart. So when you add to cart, you see the item details, and you want to go ahead and click on this, go to checkout. So in our case, we already have this script downloaded, but as well. So what we want to do now is we don't want to go ahead and check out and purchase this script again 2 times. So for you, you're just gonna go ahead and click on checkout and complete the purchase procedure. It's a simple step. And once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and get the required tools and IDE and everything required in order to run this script. So the first tool you want to get is Flutter itself. So you're going to go ahead and check Flutter is the name. For my case, it's going to be format. So you want to go ahead and select this. Okay, this is let's just go to Flutter documentation. Flutter docs. So once you do that, you want to go ahead and click on this install Flutter. Once you do that, you're going to be requested to choose your development platform. So for you, it might be Windows. For me, it's going to be macOS. So I'm just going to go ahead and select Mac, and then you want to go ahead and choose your preferred first type of application. Mine is going to be Android, and so you want to go ahead and read for system requirements, make sure your system meets the requirements, the hardware requirements, as well as the software requirements. You want to look at your operating system as well. So do well to take time and look at this. So the development tools we have here, we have the Android Studio, we have the Git. So I'm going to be walking you through how to install this Android Studio. And for most of the people that are going to use Visual Studio, I'll also show you how to install from Visual Studio in order to run your Flutter application. So you want to go ahead and install Flutter APK because this is what you want first in order to run the script. So you want to go to download and install, right? Because you don't have PSP for now. So once you do that, you're gonna go ahead to click on this Intel processor stable zip file, right? So once you do that, you go ahead to add Flutter to your directory to your path, so your environment variables and all that. So remember it's the bin path you're adding. And once your configuration is done, you want to go ahead and launch Android Studio. So what I'm going to do now is to show you how to get Android Studio. So you want to go to the Android Studio documentation. So this is the official browse for Android Studio. This is the official documentation for Android Studio, and the current version of Android Studio, current release, rather, steady bulk. You want to go ahead and click on this to start your installation, and you can read the previous release note or this particular release note here on this button. So once you click on this download Android Studio Steady bulk, your download should already start after you accepted this terms and condition. So you can go ahead and do this. So make sure you read the terms and conditions and then go ahead and check this. When that is done, you want to go ahead and put them down in here for Intel chip. So on the Windows, you're just going to see download the Windows. So once that is done, you have your Android Studio installed. Follow the procedures to just install it into your connection. So for those of us that want to use Visual Studio, so what you want to do is to go to your station, just type in your browser Visual Studio. Then do well to look for the official documentation. So let me go for the second one. Yeah, that's where you see this. So for Windows users, you want to go ahead and click on this button here to download for Windows, and you want to go ahead to be Mac OS user. You want to go ahead and click on this button. Once you do that, your download should be on the way. So this is what happens. So once that is done, you want to go ahead and install it. For our case, we already have this installed. So what we're going to do is to get the project open. So unzip the folder, go to a new directory, and go to a new Windows. So yeah, we have this, and what we want to do is to get our purchase script. So for my case, I already have it open here. So I'm deciding to open it with Visual Studio. Then decide to open it with Android Studio or Visual Studio, depending on which one works for you better. So first thing you want to go ahead to do here is run your Flutter plane. Run Flutter plane. Well, depending on your system requirements, this can take a little bit of time, and just want to run Flutter clean in order to clean your dependencies and also to catch configurations and things like that. So give it time. I don't know what I'm going to be completed. If this is your first time to opening a particular project, it's going to take a bit more time. You just want to hang on there and let it complete the process. So once the process is completed, you see a deleted file such as .dart2 and some other generated configurations and plugins. So you want to go ahead and update these dependencies again. So you just want to go ahead and do the command in your command line. So you Flutter update. So get all the dependencies back and resolve it and download these packages. Yeah, so once that is done, you see it's successful here. So everything passed and there's no error. So you want to go ahead and have your code running. To just check through all of this, go to your main Dart folder. You have how your main Dart folder looks like, right? I'm just gonna go through all of this and understand it better. So once that is done, you want to go ahead and run this project. So for running this project, you can just type Flutter run. Then once you do that, your app would start running, and you want to go ahead and connect your emulator. So for emulator, I'm using this inbuilt Android emulator. So you can also select your iOS simulator if you're using macOS. So for me, I'm using this. So once you do that, the project starts running, and once it's successful, you see the live preview of your application, of your script rather. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and select two emulators here. So I'm going to select two. So once that is done, your app starts launching and you see the live preview. So basically, that is how to install Flutter script from the amazing website codecanyon.net. Thank you very much, and see you next time.